What is up guys? In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $18 per hour just browsing on the Google. Okay, it's going to be super easy guys, and it is the very reasonable price. You might be thinking that's a lot or maybe that's a little, but I really think that that's going to be very reasonable price. If you are going to get something like $18 per hour, that can really help you a lot. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now guys, how you are going to get that job and what is the process to get the job and what kind of job you need to do to come so that you can really start making $18 or even more per hour. Okay, so now guys, let me take you to the website. Basically the website I was talking about two websites. I'm going to share one website now, and I will share another website in the end of the video. So basically I will leave the link of this website in the description. This is one of the most popular website when it comes to providing the kind of the search engine evaluator job. Okay, so basically, as you can see, they work with one of the largest internet search engine companies. Okay, and when you are going to come on, click the link in the description, and when you will come over here, you just need to select over here. Please select your country and language. I will not say that yeah, you can select whatever you want. Literally there are thousands and thousands of not thousands of, but there are most of the countries are included. Okay, so you can select anything. For example, I'm going to select anything just for the sake. I'm going to select this Italy. Okay, and now they are going to redirect me to somewhere where everything will be given in detail. Okay, for example, how you can become a kind of agent, how you can get the search engine evaluator job. And look at this, click here to apply. This is the job description that you should probably read, and literally there is nothing rocket science. Okay, as you can see, you all of the things are basic. Okay, just have written communication skills in Italian and English. So whatever the language you are going to choose, they are going to give you that language. And some basic things like should use kind of should be able to use the internet, should have searched on the Google and something like that. Okay, excellent web search skills. Basically the skills are not really much, and even I'm going to share with you the skills, and I will teach you some of the skills that you can use. Okay, so and coming over here, ability to work independently with minimal supervision and process a high internet connection. So all of these things are going to be literally super easy. Okay, for a minimum of search engine evaluators are required to have lived in Italy for, yeah, it needs to be, you need to live over there for 5+ years or something like that. Okay, so as you can see over here, here is one thing: university degree or equivalent experience. Okay, you might be thinking, I don't have a degree, what the hell, how will I do this job? What you can do, you can find somebody, maybe your friend or your sibling, okay, or whosoever you can find. Just tell him that you are going to do a job in which their degree is required, and you can even pay them $1 or $2 or maybe $3 for just taking their degree or something like that. And even if they are not even going to take any money from you, okay, so they are going to give you you are going to work on their basis. And that's what I can do. That's what you can do. You can find your friend and something like that. Nobody is going to refuse. Everybody will be ready. Okay, so after that, you just need to click on here, click here to apply, and that's what you can do. We are unable to offer more than one search engine evaluator position per household. So you should have a look at this and just click here to apply. Then you can apply over here. Okay, so now guys, I will leave the link of the website in the description, so you can literally go over there. And now guys, what is the one thing how you can do this job? Basically, in the job you need to search on the Google. Okay, it really does not need to be only Google. Okay, it can be any other website. For example, it can be Yahoo, Bing search engine, or anything. Okay, so for the Google we are taking like for example, as I'm going to search for this, how to cook brown rice. Okay, so when I search for this, as you can see, what do I need to find in the search engine evaluator? I need to find whether the results coming while I'm searching this term, okay, are all of the things going to be the same. Okay, so when we are going to come over there, look at this, how to cook brown rice. Okay, we are going to search something another thing, for example, how to make mud pots. Okay, we can search anything like that. So just click on this. Let me turn off this okay, as we are going to come over here and look at this, how to make mud pots. So when we are going to search for this, making an olla, nothing is related to this over here, nothing. Okay, they are to some extent they are same, but literally as compared to the search result, they are not as same as we want. Okay, but look at this. The thing is this, when we are going to click on the video, okay, we just don't want to go over to the video. Basically, as you can see over here, when you are going to see how to make mud pots, look at this, the search engines are not related to that. Okay, the term is not related to that, but the they are going to teach us something related to that, but this can confuse the guy who is coming on the search engine. Okay, although the content is same, but the title is not the same, so that can really affect. Okay, making an earthen pot, it's kind of a little bit similar. Okay, how to make a clay pot, something like that. So what you can do, you need to give them the ratings. Okay, what can you think, because it is going to confuse the guy. Okay, so you can give a rating like 3. Okay, and as we are going to scroll down, how to make mud pots. Okay, there is nothing like more convenience. For example, when we are going to search back, how to cook brown rice. Okay, how to cook okay, what the hell is this, how to cook brown rice. So when we are going to search for this, it is going to reveal some kind of the similar results. So that's what we need to give them rating. Okay, let this search. I don't know why the internet sucks. Okay, internet really sucks sometimes. As we are search for how to cook brown rice. So look at this, it's completely literally same, how to cook brown rice. Okay, so it's kind of it's kind of perfect. Okay, so what you can do, you can give them rating of 5. It is perfectly matching over here. How to cook brown rice perfectly, how to cook brown rice, tips and tricks, how to cook brown rice, how to make perfect brown rice. So all of these are going to be literally super targeted. That's what we need to find. We need to find the things, we need to find the terms that are literally going to be, these are the things look at this, these are very much similar. So these are going to be you can give them high rating, and if something is not literally matching, you can give them lower ratings as well. Okay, so now guys, the second but before the second website, let me tell you that the amount kind of the money they are going to pay. Look at this appen. Okay, basically the website I have shared, this website was under the LeapForce, but as the LeapForce has been acquired by the Appen, so now it has been acquired by the Appen. But literally they do something like the job opportunities on the Appen are really increasing. Okay, they are really doing a lot of acquisitions as well, as they have already acquired the LeapForce, which is also one of the biggest source of providing the search engine evaluator job. So you should think that on the Appen you are going to start getting a ton of jobs. Okay, so look at this, the wage rate is going to be same, and as we are going to come down on the Rater Labs review on the Glassdoor, look at this. I have been working at Rater Labs part-time. The benefits of being able to work from home, but literally can only work 26 hours a week. Okay, so if they are going to work at 26 hours a week, that's not a big money, but you can say it's kind of going to be something like $400 maybe. Okay, yeah, it's going to be near about $400 if we are going to calculate it with $15 per hour. But when we are going to calculate it for $18 per hour, it's going to be like something like $460 or maybe something near about that. Okay, so that's what you can say. Everybody saying that you are going to get the job, but the job is not enough to quit your full-time job. You can do this part-time. Okay, so if you are going to make $400 over here, that means you are going to make extra near about $1,500 to $2,000. That, and then you can start your business, something like that. Okay, so basically look at this, the wage rate is about $9 to $29 per hour. Basically in the data collector, they are going to give you some kind of training, they are going to give you some kind of steps what to do, but literally in the data collector as well, there is nothing rocket science. It's going to be super easy. Okay, kind of collecting the data for some kind of search results. For example, when we search for the app and per hour, what kind of the results are coming over here, what kind of content do they have. So these are the kind of the data you need to collect. Okay, and it's literally $9 to $29. So I took the $18, which is going to be average. Okay, so that's what I believe, and it's not really a much big money. You think $18 is really reasonable. Okay, so now guys, the second website is also of course the appen, because it's the best site. And if you want to come over here, the link is in the description, and you can simply come over here and click on the find flexible jobs, and then you can search for all of the jobs that you want. Make sure you create your own resume. For example, if you do not know how to create resume, you can simply come over here and click on create resume. Okay, click on the just search for this, and when we are going to search for this, I don't know why the internet really sucks today. Okay, and so basically the thing, look at this. So you can simply go on this website and simply fill in your details, and within 5 minutes you can get your resume for completely free. And if you think that this is paid website, just type over here for create a resume, best free resume builder, something like that. Okay, so you are going to get your resume for free, that's what. And as you can see over here, search engine evaluator, so you can search for all these things over here, and then you can simply apply for this, and you can start working when you will be accepted. Chances are nowadays the appen is getting a lot of work, especially because everybody is getting everything is getting huge, especially e-com, and e-com is really providing a lot of jobs. So you should really apply. And if you want to know how to build a successful business of making at least $100 per day, then check out the first link in the description, because there I will be teaching you how you can make your first $100 per day online as a complete beginner. Okay, and if you do not have any money, then still you should check out that link, because I will be providing you exactly the training on how I made my first $100 or a day online. Okay, when I used to be a beginner, I was not having any money, then I used to use that method. Still I use that method. Okay, there is no doubt. Okay, so just click the link in description. Do it right now. Okay, do it right now. Do not just leave a second, do it right now, and I will see you in the training. Bye bye, tata for now.